Hello everyone. It's Teresa with Critters Crochet. How is everyone today? Happy Wednesday. Today is the first Wednesday of the month. It is Battle of the Stitches. And with that being the first Wednesday of the month, I am here to announce and share with you the new stitch for June. I will have a separate video today that will come out in a little while after this one, and it will be a tutorial on the stitch that we are working on. And let me find, I should have already had that out. Oh, here it is. This is the book that we are getting our stitches from. Sorry, I have a slight tear in my book. But it's the step-by-step guide to 200 crochet stitches, and this is written by Tracy Hunter. And Heather from Strings and Threads and myself are doing this. And Heather contacted me a few months ago, and we started working on this. And we are having so much fun with our Battle of the Stitches. And we were talking about before, if you watched our live last Wednesday, we told you we were going to have a special announcement for this month. Well, here we go. And I will tell you more about the stitch in just a second. But Ella from No Catchy Name is going to join us this month. Yay! I'm so excited because I love Ella's channel. She's so sweet, and she makes some of the cutest amigurumi you have ever seen. That's not all she does, though. I've seen her make blankets and cardigans and just different things. But she is such a sweet person, and I just enjoy watching her so much. She is going to join us this month, and that's what we are hoping to do. We also have a special guest joining us in July, but we are not going to announce that until the beginning of July. So we are so excited to have Ellen join us this month, and I can't wait to see what she creates with this stitch. So if you haven't checked Ella out, I encourage you to do so. I will link her channel in the description box so you can go see what she's all about. If you have not subscribed to her, I encourage you to. You will not be disappointed. So she's going to join us this month. And guys, that's what we love about this. We want more people to join in with us. And if you can't commit, if you are a content creator and want to join in, but you can't commit to every month, maybe you would like to be a special guest for a certain month. So contact me or Heather and let us know. If you are not a content creator, you can still watch the video tutorials of our stitch each month, and you can create something with that stitch. And then send Heather or myself through our email. Send us a picture of what you've made with that stitch, and we will be more than happy to share it on our channel. So that's how you can be a part of that. What we do, for those of you who are new and have not heard of what we're doing with Battle of the Stitches, let me go through it real quickly. I will also have a description of it in the description box so that you can refer back to that. But the first week of every month, we come on like I'm doing today, and we announce our new stitch, and we also put out a video tutorial showing you how to create that stitch. Then the second Wednesday of the month, we give you a little sneak peek of the project that we're creating with that stitch. Now, the project we make with the stitch is not a pattern that we found. It is a brand new project that we have created ourselves. And we aren't telling each other what we're making until we reveal them. So that's fun too. So it's a brand new, it's not a pattern, it's something we've created ourselves. So we would love to see what you create with this stitch. And then the third week, we will show you our completed project that we have done with that stitch. And there will also be a video tutorial on how to make that project. Then in our community tabs, starting that third week, that third Wednesday, in our community tabs, we will put up a poll where you can vote on whose project you like the best. So this month, you'll need to watch my channel, Heather's from Strings and Threads, and Ella's channel from No Catchy Name. And watch all three of us. All three of our names will be in the poll on that third Wednesday. and you will get to vote on which of us three's project you like the best. Be sure when you do that, though, make sure that you comment below that you had voted so that your name goes into the drawing, because the project that gets the most votes, that will be the project that will be given away to one lucky person. So make sure you comment after you voted, and you can vote on each of ours. You can vote 3 times. You can vote on mine, on Heather's, and on Ella's poll. So be sure to do that. Then on the 4th Wednesday, when the month has only 4 Wednesdays, on the 4th Wednesday, then we will come on live and we will announce and pick the winner and announce to you whose project won, and we will pick a winner, pick somebody to receive that project. If in case we have a month that has 5 Wednesdays, then we will have the voting opened on the 3rd and the 4th Wednesday, and then we will come on live and reveal the winner on the 5th Wednesday. So that's how all of that works. We are having so much fun with this, and we really would love to see more people get involved. So, here is the stitch that we are doing for June. It is called the Purl. It's called the Purl slip stitch, and this is what it looks like. It's stitch number 4 in the book. And I don't knit, but Heather has told me that this looks very similar to the Purl knitting stitch. When you knit, the Purl stitch when you knit looks very similar to this. So this is called the Purl slip stitch. And I hope you will join me back here in just a few minutes. I will have the video up in just a little bit today, and it will also be in my playlist under tutorials. So make sure that you check that out. And I can't wait to see what everybody makes. So I encourage you, watch the video on how to do this stitch, and make something really neat and share it with us, because we'd love to see it. So I'm going to get off of here and stay tuned, because the tutorial is coming up next. Talk to you guys later. I hope you have a wonderful Wednesday, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye, guys.